abusia ECG4 ama Ghpage news almost studio abusia fully finished studio mu yadwuma wo mama eja to mama sese enwom mo de yadwuma nyina ahye Drobe bedenzi medo ensem nyina mu nkyere mu besom wo this platform meso also be video na mana kwawie na wate asem na se na ebesa bo the footages any videos a free Ghpage ho ba na omochemu a ECG Dumsor light out presso amoye no mayi mu aye kan wase mo fie na busuya esi dia akɔwie eno no na high camera studios ene de dikan ya oba meso so beje bre no he video yi wo hwe wi a wa share ma odofo ne wunuanom no bibia aso nya bia hwe na afei so wa subscribe to YouTube platform at camera studios afei ma mfo mo ransem no mu a ye ka ECG ho asem ana mo ne ye nya adwene na mo be kasa e wo comment section ase bebre no abusuya afei die asema aba no Ghpage abusia omo studio fully finished omo yadwuma wom omo grant so many interviews e we sa omo studio ho ene eja tom buburija ahye na me charge ye workers ba ko peni cry asese ibra me no kasa omo ntima mfa hwe cry any money nyina ahye because of pressure ne yenko bo mo video no ma ye ba maka wasem Dumsor preko be mi ni nzana no studio he na ja to ha ma ye ne ma na ahihye sa bi ye ni no na ahihye sa na me charge ye workers ba ko be cry ba ko ni cry na it's no dum man it's the edu ejara but before they do no ye ma be brave here the way na ye na me tase actually say you are a little funny so say ye nema na ye pack but sets HP ne anti no adaroma David will cry he say growing say ye solve the problem with your parents inside of course that's all many so the bomb by say no so be okay it's not the actual you see the adaroma Dumsor na kan wasama Ghpage abusia videos and footages if you buy na wahwe ne sisia no na Ghpage there because of the platform ntina ababo ntene no yes a lot of things has happened because of the Dumsor that is happening in our country. We are not seeing it on the media because they don't have the platform, and even if they post it, people will not repost it because it doesn't concern them anymore and at home. Now my personal experience from the Dumsor across this country, we cannot blame the president because he is now in charge and all kind of that, but under his administration these things are happening, and that is the reason why you cannot talk about you can't talk about Dumsor without adding or attaching his name to it because it is happening under his governance. Now that is not where I'm channeling my focus to. My focus is on my personal experience and my experience from the electricity company of Ghana. Now where I am right now, it is very difficult for me to be consistent making videos without facing Dumsor in my system, and I think when I hear it's been like intentional. Airtime GH has made a video, so many videos about the ECG Dumsor koso where or my where kan wasem mo fie na busia. That is one. Second, I work in a cafe, so I know how the ECG people has been treating us all these years. Abusia, if you are working with electricity in Beer East, Cam Junction to be specific, Abusia, you realize they don't even value people in the community. Because how they are giving us the light, how the light is not stable, how they don't announce any Dumsor or anything, they will not notify anybody because they feel like they are it's mind busting. I've made a previous video about that, talking about how they are treating the people of Western North, especially Beer East and Cam Junction. I wish no response. With the first video that went viral, people, I don't know, they share it to them, and then after that they came out with a times table the next day that they were going to give out the light of. Yes, I was very happy with that. I thought it will be continuous. Now from that time till now, it keeps on going off and on, off and on. No time stable, no notification. They just off it, they just on it, just like that. And these things are happening under one nose. Just from here to Sefigavoso, it's not far away. But because they feel, I don't know how they really feel about us. If I'm about to talk about the machines that this Dumsor has damaged, my printer, 2 printers, I got damaged at the same time because of the Dumsor. 2 printers Epson because spoiled because of Dumsor. My PC, 3 PCs, say because of Dumsor. Presso, PC name so you. That is my personal experience. So not even talking about the people in your community. I know Dumsor that has collapsed whole store in this country, in my locality, and I feel like they don't have the platform to talk, and people are also there. If you're watching this video, I'll kindly plead with you to share it to the minimum people you can share, so that they will also get to share it to their friends and their loved ones, so that this video can reach to where it's supposed to reach. So that they will also hear our concern. Kama Studios and then the Ghpage and studio somewhere on this platform. Now, thanks for watching. I go by the name Sticky the Superstar. And kindly subscribe to our YouTube platform and join us on Facebook at Salif Abdo, and then on TikTok at Kama Studios. Now, information here about Becoz media to be a some. Thanks for watching. I'm finally out.